Hi and welcome to WP OptinBoxes. Now in this quick demo, I'm going to show you why this plugin is the most unique, feature-rich, standalone smart box plugin available today. WP OB is fully loaded straight out of the box, allowing anybody to produce professional-looking opt-in and call-to-action boxes in minutes. In this tutorial, I'm going to do a walkthrough and show you how easy it is to set up professional style boxes using WP OptinBoxes. So right now, as you can see, I don't have anything set up. This is a brand new installation. So once you've installed the plugin, you can either add a brand new box by clicking on Add New Box there, or there, or there. So the first step is to name your box. You can always edit this later on. And you'll notice that we have a number of options here. For this demonstration, I'm just going to set up an email opt-in box, so I'm going to click here, and then I can select from a number of pre-formatted professional templates. So any of these, so let me just show you a couple. So all of these are built into the plugin straight out of the box. Okay, so let's just choose this one just to demonstrate this this process. So save and next. And then we go on to step 2. So in step 2, you can customize the text, the graphics, anything you like, and you can also install your autoresponder code. So opt-in form settings, click here. As you can see, I have not actually integrated any autoresponder code at the moment, so it's prompting me to do that now, so I can just click there and then choose from any of the autoresponders here. Now you can see that all of the leading autoresponder companies are integrated here. I'll just scroll down so you can see that. And of course you can also add the actual HTML code down here. You can actually customize the whole template to whichever extent you want to go to. So we're going to keep it simple in this demonstration, but you can see here that it gives you the option to change the size, color of the text, the input text here. We can even get rid of it if we wanted to. We can change the text inside of the input fields and the alignment. And then we're just going to go over to headings now. So here we can change this text, and that gives you the option to change the font if you want to, and obviously the size and the color. Content settings, and again you can change your font and the color and the size and pretty much anything you like. Button settings, same again, you can change the whole lot. Image, this one comes pre-formatted, but if you want to get rid of that image and put your own in there, you can do so, and then it will pop up in there. Box container settings, this is the actual box itself, so you can change that box if you really wanted to. So if you want to put a background color in there to match your site, for example, then you can do so by clicking here. And if you really want to, then obviously the CSS is down here, so you want to mess about with the CSS to any extent, then you can do so. Each and every one of the templates can be customized to suit your particular needs, and it's all very, very easy to do. So once you've edited your box, as I've done here, you can see I've made a few changes. Up here, click Save and Next. Now step 3 is pretty much self-explanatory. You can see here, you can use flash effects, so you can fade in and you can determine how quick it's going to fade in and fade out again. Make sticky, slide in from side, so you can choose from left or right and the speed of it. And then down here, optional opt-in form settings, so you can set these up so your subscribers will see these after they've entered their details and click submit. And then once you've decided what options you're going to use, for this option I'm going to use enable flash effects, so it should fade in 2 seconds, and then click update. And now this box will determine which posts, or whether you're going to use it site-wide, or which post you're going to put this particular code on. So I'm going to choose a particular page like so, and then I'm just going to swipe that shortcode there and publish. So once you have the shortcode, you can paste it into any page, any post that you like. I'm doing it this way really because this particular site is a multi-niche, so using the shortcode allows me to drop that code and that box onto any specific page that I like. So I'm just going to pop that in there, update. Now this particular post should pop up inside the actual content, and there's lots of other options which I'll go over in just a second, but I'm just going to show you this now. So if I scroll down here, you can see that it's just popped up within the content there, and it's just got the fade in and out. We can also make our boxes sticky once they've been scrolled past. So in this case here, if I scroll down here, you can see the boxes pop there, and then it just sticks to the top. And then in step 3 we have additional settings which we can use. So we can choose to have a triggered pop-up, and then we can set the seconds there, or we can have an exit pop there like so, or a triggered scroll pop-up. And what that means is it'll pop up when it gets to the percentage that you set right here. So let me just show you those options quickly. So a triggered pop-up, let's have it 11 seconds. Save. And now what will happen is the box will pop up and it will black out the rest of the screen like so. Here we can have the box set to trigger on scroll. So if I start scrolling now. So two-step opt-in, if we choose this one in templates, save that one, and you can see that we've got the very same box that we've set up already, but it's got the animated 50% complete bar above the box. Come into step 3, click update there, and then here we can decide on the button. So opt-in style, let's pick a blue flat button like so, and we'll just leave click here as the text for now, and then we'll copy that shortcode there like so, and then if I paste that code in there and update, and now when we click this button here, then the box will pop up, we'll get the animated bar there, 50% complete bar, and the box. Inside global settings, the user can choose whether to track all conversions, include Google Analytics, choose to use specific boxes for site-wide integration, choose to use specific boxes for posts, so these will only appear on posts, or choose to use a specific box on all pages. Or you can set up specific boxes to pop up on a particular category. Now this is particularly useful for sites which have different niches, different categories, such as this one here. So I could have one box pop up for everything related to cellulite. WP OB comes complete with a ton of professional templates. They're all ready to go straight out of the box. But if you did want to use something specific, something you've had designed for a specific project, then upload it here. So you can upload any kind of template. Just choose File, Upload, and it'll be extracted to the template folder. Option to export any saved boxes here, or import new boxes from here. We've also included a reporting feature right here. You can choose to have your stat reports sent to your email address either daily or weekly. And you can also go back and edit any part of any of your boxes at any point. You can go back and you can change the template, you can change the design, the box settings, you can even make a duplicate of a box, or if you wanted to, you could pause a specific box here like so. And if you're not sure which style of opt-in box is going to work best for your campaign, then simply use our one-click split testing feature. WordPress opt-in box is designed to meet the needs of marketers and bloggers in today's market. Simple to use and feature rich straight out of the box, and yet without the ongoing monthly cost normally associated with a product of this caliber. Thanks again for watching this quick video, and if you need more details on any specific features, then please get in touch. We'll be happy to help.